For me, rhubarb is one of those simple pleasures in life. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to share with you a really gorgeous recipe today. It is my lemon and rhubarb sponge cake. So delicious and really easy to make using some great gem ingredients. You're going to love this one. Here are some of the gem ingredients I'm going to be using today for my cake. Some flaked almonds, self-raising flour, baking powder, white chocolate chips, and custard powder. The first job is to make the beautiful lemon sponge. So into my mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, I am adding the room temperature butter and caster sugar, and I'm going to mix that for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's nice and soft. So this has been mixing now for about 2 minutes. So my butter and sugar mixture is nice, creamy and soft. At this point, I'm going to gradually start adding in my eggs one by one, mixing between each addition until they're fully incorporated. Now that all the eggs have been added in, it's time to add in my beautiful gem ingredients. So I have my self-raising flour, custard powder, and my baking powder. Sieve those in and give that a mix. Next step is to add in the creme fraiche, dash of vanilla, you can use essence or extract, the lemon zest, and my gem white chocolate chips. Again, just mix to combine. So I have lightly buttered and floured a 9-inch loose bottom baking tin. I put some parchment paper on the bottom and I am just going to spoon in this beautiful lemon cake batter. So I've taken some beautiful Irish rhubarb and I have just cut it from smaller into larger in the center and again smaller, and this is going to sit on top of the sponge that we've just put into the tin. This is raw, this is uncooked. The sponge will take about 50 minutes to bake, so by the time the sponge is cooked, our rhubarb will be done. So now I'm just going to place this rhubarb on top of the uncooked sponge batter. One final step is to add some gem flaked almonds on top. And this is going to bake in the preheated oven set at 180, 160 fan. And this will take in around 45 to 50 minutes to bake. So I allowed my rhubarb cake to cool down in the tin for a couple of minutes before I took it out. It has cooled now completely and I have popped it onto this lovely cake stand. One final little touch that I like to do, I have just cut out a little disc of parchment paper and I'm going to take the icing sugar and I'm just going to give it a dust. And again, this kind of covers the rhubarb. So you're just dusting the outside of the cake. So again, just giving it a nice dusting with icing sugar and carefully lift off the parchment paper. And there you go. And that's it guys, that's my really tasty lemon and rhubarb sponge cake. It smells amazing. If you do try this recipe out at home, please do let us know and happy baking.